This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted files on your Android tablet. So if you deleted something, this is very easy. Just swipe up and then go to Files right here. And go to Files. Now if you deleted something, maybe you have some sort of images or documents or something like that, photos, just go to the top left and go to Trash. And you'll see it on here. So let me delete something first. So let's go to one of these images. So how about this image? So let's go to it and delete. Okay, so it's not going to be permanently deleted. If you read that little message there on the bottom when you delete something, we can go to trash now. And we have 30 days to retrieve it. So we can just tap it, go down to restore. And then restore that image, the file, and it'll be back on your device now. So we can go to images, there it is, even though I just deleted it. So very easy to do. If you deleted something, just go ahead and just restore it from there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.